Hey guys! So I'm filming from a little bit farther away than usual today because I have a giant zit on my face and I didn't want it to make eye contact with you guys. So yeah, let's keep the internet real. You're welcome. Anyway, since I'm already all cozy and comfy on the couch, let's talk about the 5 lazy side hustles that you can do from your home. Let's jump into it. So number 1 on a list is renting out space on Neighbor.com. So in case you're not familiar, Neighbor.com is a peer-to-peer storage platform that allows people to rent out extra space they have. And you don't need a ton of space. It could be extra space in your garage, could be a basement, driveway, spare rooms, and things like that. A lot of people refer to Neighbor.com as Airbnb for storage. And let me clarify, you're not renting it out to people, you're just renting it out to their stuff, such as vehicles, boxes, extra decor, and all the other things that people need to store. So the reason why I really like this side hustle is because obviously it provides a great passive way for homeowners to earn money with the extra space. And it also provides a way for renters to find more affordable options compared to, let's say, commercial storage. So some of the great benefits of using Neighbor.com, aside from obviously a passive stream of income, is you get to control who rents your space and what can be stored. It's also pretty flexible, so you can control when and how long people use your storage space for. So I know what you're thinking, because that was the first thing that I thought, especially living in America, is what if people store something illegal, like, weapons, bodies, or something along those lines. So Neighbor.com provides all of its hosts with up to $1 million protection in case something was to go wrong. So I'm actually in the process of renting out additional space in my garage on Neighbor.com. So if you want me to make a fully dedicated video about it, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. All right, on to the next one, which is starting a print-on-demand business. Okay, so if you're very into this side hustle niche, I'm sure you've heard of print on demand before. In fact, I actually recently made an entire dedicated video showing you how to start a print-on-demand business, which, spoiler alert, the whole process took me less than an hour to do. So if you're interested, I'll include this video in one of these corners. I use Printify, which is a really great affordable platform to launch your Printify business on platforms like Etsy, Squarespace, Shopify, and things like that. And the nice thing about print-on-demand is that it's super passive because you're pretty much outsourcing the whole production and fulfillment process to Printify. And all you need to do is to set up your shop, do a little bit of marketing, and make passive income from home. There are a lot of people on YouTube who have shared their results with print on demand, and I noticed the results range from like a couple of $100s all the way to 6-figure income per year. So if you always wanted to launch an e-commerce business that was low risk and affordable to start, make sure to check out Printify as well as my video tutorial down below. Okay, so number 3 is a side hustle that I've spoken about quite a few times on this channel, but I'm gonna talk about it again because you guys seem to love it and a lot of people seem to be interested in it, and that would be doing surveys and playing phone games. Which are the side hustles that you can do from your couch? So these side hustles are definitely not going to make you rich. They're more so just a fun way to make extra cash on the side by sharing your opinion or playing games on your phone, which once again, is something that a lot of us just do for free. So you might as well just make some extra money. So I actually filmed 2 dedicated videos, both on Free Cash and Prime Opinion, showing you exactly how much I was able to make, which is actually more than I expected from just doing some fun little tasks here and there. So make sure to check them out. So number 4 on our list is starting an affiliate marketing blog. So unlike what most people think, blogging is not dead. In fact, I've been following a lot of YouTubers who have shared their journey starting affiliate marketing blogs. Now, I do want to clarify, this specific side hustle is a little bit different from, let's say, typical blogging where you earn a lot of money through things like ads and sponsorship. This one is very heavily relied on search and affiliate marketing revenue. So the cool thing about living in our time is that you can outsource a lot of these things to AI. I filmed multiple videos showing you how I was able to create affiliate marketing blogs using AI. One of the videos shows how you can literally convert YouTube videos and other content into affiliate marketing blogs and post them on platforms like Medium. I also filmed the video showing you how you can use a tool like SEOwriting.ai to create more in-depth and super informational blogs that can also generate affiliate marketing income for you on platforms like WordPress. So if you're interested in those, I'll include them down below, so make sure to check them out. But pretty much the reason why I like affiliate marketing blogs blogs is that in some ways they're very similar to YouTube in the sense that they live on the internet forever. And especially if you are doing a blog about something that a lot of people are searching, blog posts that are solving specific problems or comparing certain products, you can make a decent amount of money. So I'm actually going to insert my revenue from one of the affiliate marketing programs that I've been a part of for about a year now. And you can see that it's actually a pretty healthy income for a very passive source of income from a piece of content that I created over a year ago. So once again, if you're super lazy and you love passive income like I do, make sure to check out this side hustle. I'll include all of the affiliate marketing videos that I've done down below. So last but not least is sharing your unused internet bandwidth. So this concept is actually brand new to me this year, but apparently if you have a relatively fast internet, you can actually sell some of that additional unused bandwidth to companies such as Honeygain and Pawns app and make some additional passive income. Now, in all transparency, that income is going to be super duper low. I actually made an entire video about how much I was able to earn with Honeygain. So it's usually going to be less than $10 per month that you're going to be earning, which is, I don't know, maybe enough for like a cup of coffee or to lightly offset your internet bill. But the reason why I love these side hustles is that these are the very few side hustles that I've tried that literally require no effort or work whatsoever other than just installing those apps on your devices and letting them run in the background. So if you're looking for a truly lazy side hustle, you should definitely check out those two platforms that I mentioned below and start generating additional income in your sleep. Yeah, and that is pretty much it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're all cozy and comfy this fall. And if you want to see more videos about different ways that you can generate additional income, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out this playlist over here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!